Let's bring back in National Trial Attorney Michael Jaafar to discuss. And Michael, that was the end of the cross-examination. And I want to get your characterization of what we just saw. I mentioned earlier, it seems like she was sort of picking away at various things. Number one, to kind of show the things that maybe this expert didn't know, but also that there's some context that might be missing for some of these text messages.
Yeah, because we know that essentially there's a smoking gun right now, electronically. We have to see the context of the smoking gun, right? Was the smoking gun thrown there by somebody? Did you find it and coincidentally the cops showed up? I'm speaking metaphorically, obviously. So the context in these text messages is the only card that this defendant can play to either get a lesser included charge or to get off freely. I don't think in any way she'd get off freely. I think the best she can hope for is a lesser included charge, some sort of aiding, something, right? So the context is her only card. That's her only defense. That's the only thing she can play. So I think the defense attorney did what she has to do. I think this entire trial is going to be about framing things into the proper context. The defendant's courtroom demeanor is going to aid her in that. I like her courtroom demeanor so far. Look, it is possible that this woman was manipulated by a manipulative person who was a vengeful, murderous type of person who really thought he was going to get access to a $500,000 life insurance policy by manipulating a woman who he seemed to be as a target of opportunity. He looked at her as a target of opportunity, allegedly, right? So context would be the only way out. So the defense attorney, we now know what their strategy was in the game room before the trial started. They're showing it right now. They're doing a good job.